Hello there. Welcome to A-Level Media Studies at Thomas Rotherham College. Congratulations on obtaining your place with us. In this video, you will be introduced to the A-Level Media Studies course. We will be taking a look at the various components studied and their content, as well as the various assessment methods, along with looking at some past examples of student work. You'll be introduced to the staff, as well as get an idea of where you can go with a qualification in media, including universities, careers or apprenticeships, as well as hearing testimonies from some of our ex-students. Don't forget, you can also follow the Media and Film Department on Instagram to see loads of examples of student work. You can follow us at TRC Media and Film. Before we start, here are some important differences you need to know about BTech Media and A-Level Media. BTech Media has a strong emphasis on coursework, along with one practical exam. It's about 2/3 coursework and 1/3 practical exam. The BTech option is more suited for those who want to go on to do a production-based degree or go straight into working into the industry itself, as well as preferring coursework-based assessments. It focuses on journalism and page layout and design units, with vocational and practical methods of assessment. The A-Level is the more academic route with an exam-based emphasis along with some practical coursework. It's 70% exam and 30% coursework. The A-Level option is more suited to those who want to go on to do a studies-based degree focusing on a much broader scope of the media industry, with a more analytical and theoretical approach to assessment, largely through exams. If you really want to, you can study both BTech and A-Level Media, given that in terms of content, they're both very different courses. A-Level Media Studies is an academic and creative A-Level in which you will be studying a diverse range of subjects, including music videos, advertising and marketing, newspapers, radio, video games, film marketing, television in the global age, magazines, and media in the online age. You will learn to analyse how medias create meaning for audiences and how they reflect and help to shape the society that made them. You will also have an opportunity to apply what you have learned to create a cross-media project that will include the production of both print and video products. A-Level Media Studies is split into 3 different components, each with a specific focus. We begin the first year by looking at Component 1, Media Products, Industries and Audiences. In this component, you will learn about the language of media and how it is used to encode meaning into media products. You will also learn how audiences respond to the meanings created through these products, as well as considering the influences on representations. You will study text from a range of media sectors, including music videos, newspapers, and advertising and marketing. You will also study the media industry and the audiences they produce content for. You will learn about the key aspects of media ownership, funding, and regulation, as well as the impact of digital platforms. You will also learn about the importance of media audiences and how audiences' use and responses to the media reflect identity and social, cultural, and historical circumstances. You will study text from a range of media sectors, including film marketing, radio, video games, advertising, and newspapers. We will then move on to Component 2, Media Forms and Products, in the second year of study. In this component, you will study television in the global age. You will study 2 contrasting TV shows exploring the dynamics that shape contemporary television production, distribution, and circulation. In addition to this, you will study the economics and audiences of national and global TV. You will also study the competitive world of magazines aimed at both mainstream and alternative audiences. You will study 2 magazines developing an understanding of the contextual factors that shape their production, distribution, circulation and consumption, as well as considering the social and cultural significance of the representations that they offer. Finally, you will study media in the online age, in which you will consider the significance of the internet in a contemporary media industry. You will study 2 contrasting online products, exploring the way they overlap and the potential they have for self-representation. You will also study the changing role of media consumers and how they have now become producers who regularly participate in the production of online content as well as consuming. Both Components 1 and 2 include an end-of-year exam which you'll sit at the end of your second year. This is worth 70% of your overall grade. Component 3 is a practical component that involves the production of a cross-media package. The briefs for the coursework change each year, however they commonly include mixtures of audio-visual and print production for industries such as TV, advertising and marketing, magazines or web production. You will undertake a series of research and planning tasks prior to the construction of your cross-media package, including textual analyses, research into your audience, project planning, and a pitch presentation. This component will demonstrate your ability to work to a set brief, along with developing your technical and creative skills using products from the Adobe Creative Suite, including Photoshop, InDesign, and Premiere, and photography using our photography studio. Component 3 is worth 30% of your overall grade. Now let's take a look at some past examples of media products made by our students. This is only a small selection, there's loads more on the Instagram page. Now it's time to meet the media and film team. There are 3 members of staff in the media and film department. First up, Robert Venn. Rob teaches A-Level Film Studies, A-Level Media Studies in Year 2 of BTech Creative Digital Media. He specialises in mass audio, visual media literacy, print design and video production. Secondly, Simon Carter. Simon teaches A-Level Film Studies, BTech Creative Digital Media and Level 2 CTech Media. Simon specialises in screenwriting, journalism and page layout and design. Finally, Brittany Cully. Britt is the lead technician in the media and film department. She specialises in film and video production and post-production. So, where can a qualification in media and film take you? There are so many different career pathways in the media and film industry in the UK, from animation or journalism to film and TV or print media. The opportunities are incredibly diverse. The UK creative industries is one of the largest employment sectors in the UK, with a value of over £111 billion a year, and is continuing to grow day by day, with the most successful sectors including IT, software and games, film and TV, and advertising. The rate of growth in the creative industries is almost double the UK average in other industries, which means the demand for talent is significant. An enormous 3.2 million jobs exist in the creative sector in the UK. That's 1 in every 11 jobs, with a massive 81,000 jobs added in 2018 alone in roles spread across the country. The stereotype of most creative jobs being based in London is rapidly becoming a thing of the past, with more and more opportunities opening up across the country and around the world. There's never been a better time to get into the creative industries, but don't take our word from it. Let's hear from some of our ex-students. Charlotte Stanborough studied media at TRC, graduating in 2017. She went on to study journalism at Sheffield Hallam University, as well as working as a freelance journalist. Her work as a writer has given her the opportunity to produce content for a number of high-profile platforms, including BBC Radio Sheffield, Lift magazine and Expose magazine, which she interviewed Enter Shikari. Charlotte will be starting a PGCE course with a view to move into teaching. You can see more of her work on Twitter at cstanboroughjourno. Stephen Jones studied media and film, graduating in 2018. Steve now works as a freelance photographer based in Yorkshire, as well as working for a creative agency, Awesome. Steve's freelance work has allowed him to work on numerous different shoots, including weddings, the automotive industry and corporate events. He even returned to TRC to shoot the photographs for the college prospectus. You can see more of his work on his website, which you can find a link for in the description. Our alumni have found enjoyment in all aspects of the courses that we deliver, from key theoretical concepts to applying them creatively in a range of different practical pieces. You have the freedom to produce products that are to your own look and style, as well as developing essential skills that transfer into higher education and employment. Studying media and film at TRC is a great way to allow you to develop academically, personally and creatively. We have a strong sense of community, not just in media and film, but across the entire VAPM department, and we are passionate about our subject and are dedicated to ensuring you strive to achieve. So that's it. Welcome to the course, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to get in touch either via email, telephone or Instagram. We can't wait to get started.